You are provided with solid D. Carry out the following test and write your observations and inferences in the space provided. Place about 1/2 of the solid D in a test tube and heat it strongly. Test any gas produced with both red and blue litmus papers. Gas which turns red litmus paper blue is produced. The blue litmus paper remains blue. Yes, so when a gas is produced which turns red litmus paper to blue, that gas is a basic gas. Therefore, we use ammonium ion. To present that is present. Place the rest of the solid in a pouring tube. Add about 10 centimeters cube of distilled water. Shake well. To about 2 centimeters cube portion of solution, add about 1 centimeters cube of hydrogen peroxide and shake well. Hydrogen peroxide. To the resulting mixture, add aqueous sodium hydroxide. Drop poison until in excess. So the observation is that a brown precipitate is formed. A brown precipitate which is insoluble in excess. Sodium hydroxide. So a brown precipitate is associated with the ion 3 positive present. Brown PPT insoluble in excess, ion 3 present. You are provided with solution E. Carry out the following test and write your observations and inferences in the spaces provided. Divide solution E into 2. To one portion of solution E in a test tube, add 3 drops of barium nitrate. Retain the mixture for use in test Roman 2. A white precipitate is formed. White PPT is formed. We are adding barium nitrate, then definitely are present. The sulfate, the sulfite, and the carbonate are present. So the mixture, this mixture we retained here, add 5 centimeters cube of 2-more nitric acid. Yes, then the observation is that the white precipitate dissolves, forming a colorless solution. Right? And then, because we are adding an acid, we expect effervescence or no effervescence. That one always remember. So this one, effervescence occurs. So if it dissolves to form a colorless solution and then effervescence occurs, that confirms that the sulfite and the carbonate are present. Yes. To portion 2 of solution E in a test tube, Add 2 drops of acidified potassium dichromate 6 and warm the mixture. Then the orange turns green. The orange color changes to green. Or you can say the color change from orange to green. So if that happens, and we are in we have not entered into organic chemistry, and we have understood very well we are doing with inorganic, then it says, it confirms that the sulfite ions are present. The sulfite is the one which is going to be oxidized to form to sulfur 4, to sulfate. The sulfite will be oxidized by this to form, and then this one will change to green. Provided with that, place 5 drops of liquid F on a crane dry watch glass and ignite it. So the liquid burns with a blue non-sooty flame. Excuse me. So it is burning with a blue non-sooty, then it means it is a saturated organic compound. Saturated organic compound. But if this one disappears from your head, so you can say the alkane or alcohol present. You can use it this one or this present. Place about 2 centimeters scoop of F in a clean test tube, and then add sodium hydrogen carbonate. There is no effervescence, because that's what we expect. There is no effervescence. Then it means the alkanoic acids are not there, are absent. The alkanoic acids are absent. Lastly, place about 2 centimeters of liquid in a test tube. Add about 1 centimeter of acidified potassium dichromate 6 and warm the mixture. Then what happens is that the orange or the color change from orange to green, because now we are dealing with organic chemistry. Then that confirms that the alcohol is present. The alcohol is present. This is the last printed page. That was the year 2011, paper 3. Thank you very much. Subscribe, comment. You can say something. You have what's a lot to say. You can comment, you can criticize, and that is how we move. Thank you.